Google's announcement of the new Google Axion processors. Google's first custom Arm-based CPUs designed for the data center. Axion is built on the standard ARM9 architecture. Axion processors combine Google's silicon expertise with Arm's highest performing CPU cores. It delivers instances with up to 30% better performance than the fastest general purpose Arm-based instances available in the cloud today. Customers will be able to use Axion in many Google Cloud services including Google Compute Engine, Google Kubernetes Engine, Dataproc, Dataflow, Cloud Batch, and more.